visit Savannah. And I'm currently sitting outside by this really, really cool trail. If you guys didn't know, I live in Florida, which I have a lot of mixed feelings about Florida. It's very hot and humid, and I don't do good in either of those conditions. I'm like a husky. I need it to be very nice and cold. But occasionally, on some fine days like this, it's winter, so it's not extremely hot, but the sun's still out, so it's not freezing cold, and you can actually enjoy some really good nature. So right now, we are longboarding.
Just do your best to hear me. It's all you can do.
Adventure time! So right now I'm walking through a forest, which is super pretty. I love walking through forests. I feel like, I don't know, it's really cool because it's like you're in the middle of nowhere and no one knows what's gonna happen. Like, there could be a bear over there and wouldn't know. So it's like a surprise. It does smell. Nature smells. Warning! Nature might smell. So far there
They need to put signs up.
no surprises, but it is
Warning.
warning signs.
Might smell really gross.
Might smell gross. It's true. Walk, smell at your own risk.
I'll hear a sermon.
Oh, right now there's like this really cool tunnel of trees, and I feel like I'm going into Narnia right now. This is, wow. Do you ever like look at nature and you just think, wow, we live here? Like, that's insane. We could live on like a planet like Mars, and there would be no forests. It'd just be a lot of red dirt. It'd be like Arizona covering an entire like planet. Can you imagine only being able to be in Arizona? That's crazy.